How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi or can't find Wi-Fi problem in Windows 10. Step 1. If there is any Wi-Fi button on your keyboard, then turn it on. Step 2. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapter. Right-click Display Adapter and click on Update Driver. Select your display adapter and click on Next.
If that didn't work,
right-click and click on Uninstall. Click on Option and click on Scan for hardware changes. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.
if that didn't work,
Open Start and type Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshoot.
if that didn't work,
Open Services. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.